You sold me.
Você me convenceu.
It's up to you.
Você quem sabe.
Out of the blue.
Do nada.
I am with my friend Lisa, and we want to go out for food. I ask her, do you want pizza or pasta? She thinks for a moment, but she can't decide. I look at her and say, make up your mind. So, she says, it's up to you. Suddenly, out of the blue, she says, let's eat sushi. I look surprised but like the idea and say, you sold me. Now we are excited for dinner. I was with my friend Lisa and we wanted to go out for food. I asked her, did you want pizza or pasta? She thought for a moment, but she couldn't decide. I looked at her and said, make up your mind. She shrugged and said, it's up to you. Suddenly, out of the blue, she smiled and said, let's eat sushi. I was surprised at first, but really liked the idea and said, you sold me. Next weekend, I will meet my friend Lisa for dinner. We will walk around the city, looking for a place to eat. I will ask her, do you want pizza or pasta? She will stop and think, but she won't be able to decide. I will laugh and say, make up your mind. She will smile and reply, it's up to you. Suddenly, out of the blue, she will point to a sushi restaurant and say, let's eat sushi. I will love the idea and say, you sold me. Next weekend, if I met my friend Lisa for dinner, we would walk around the city, looking for a place to eat. I would ask her, would you want burgers or tacos? She would stop and think, but she wouldn't be able to decide. I would laugh and say, make up your mind. She would smile and reply, it's up to you. Suddenly, out of the blue, she would point to a sushi restaurant and say, let's eat sushi. I would love the idea and say, you sold me.
Like and subscribe to the channel.